Have you ever seen sugar spun into thousands of delicate threads that look like a dragon's white beard? Today we are exploring the ancient Chinese art of creating dragon's beard candy by hand. Unlike machine-made cotton candy found in arcades, this traditional treat is spun entirely by hand, using a specific mixture of fine white sugar, maltose syrup, and glutinous rice flour to create its unique texture. The creation process requires immense skill. The sugar is meticulously stretched and folded repeatedly until it forms strands so fine they resemble almost invisible spider silk. Once the threads are perfect, artisans wrap them around a filling of crushed peanuts, sesame seeds, and desiccated coconut to add flavor and crunch to the delicate structure. The name comes from Chinese mythology, where a Han Dynasty emperor supposedly ate this hand-pulled sugar and the white wisps stuck to his face, resembling whiskers of a dragon. With roughly 3/4 of a cup of sugar and syrup combined with rice flour, this sweet treat provides about 170 calories while offering a complex texture that dissolves slowly. Ancient confection proves that without modern machines, human dexterity can still transform simple ingredients into a masterpiece of edible artistry and cultural history. You've now seen how hand-spun sugar creates this legendary treat. What other traditional foods would you like us to explore in depth? Let me know your requests below.